This video shows how to control MSR605X card reader, only with an Android phone. All we need is an USB Type-C male to USB female adapter, and an Android app called EasyMSR USB. First, we start the EasyMSR USB app, then connect the card reader to the Android phone. When connected, the app can find the device. We tap the device button to enter the operation page. Now we can read data from or write data to magnetic stripe cards. It is quite convenient. You can buy the USB adapter via the link in the video description. You can download EasyMSR USB in Google Play. Thank you for watching.